Introducing the Dongfeng 6x6 off-road coach, designed for tough journeys. Let's take a look at its key features. This coach measures 8.1 meters long, 2.3 meters wide and 3.1 meters tall. It has a curb weight of 6,860 kilograms and a total mass of 9,300 kilograms. With a strong 6x6 drive form, it's built to handle rough roads with ease. The wheelbase is 3,500 millimeters in the front and 1,080 millimeters in the rear, ensuring great stability and balance. Equipped with 11R18 tires, this bus provides excellent traction. Powered by a Cummins B190 engine with 140 kW of power. The bus is equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox and high and low transfer case for smooth driving on all terrain. It can reach maximum speed of 87 km per hour. This bus is ready for any challenge. Keep your journeys safe and smooth with the Dongfeng 6x6 off-road coach. Inside, the coach has seating for 28 passengers plus 2 additional seats. It also features a spacious interior height of 1,730 millimeters, ensuring comfort for everyone on board. We are Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicles, specialized in producing high-quality special vehicles.